guys, it's Haley. I'm back with another video. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new here. So today I'm going to be styling clothes that I don't wear. So I have like a bunch of clothes in my closet that I've worn once and just never wore again, or that I just have never worn at all. So today I'm going to be attempting to style those pieces and see if that can inspire myself to wear it more, and maybe you to style some clothes in your closet that maybe you don't wear and are just sitting in your closet. So yeah, also I did something new with my hair today, and I don't know if I'm serving like Y2K or if I'm serving like 5-year-old or a Pippi Longstocking. And let's just get started. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a comment, subscribe if you like me. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!